Are you struggling with dry, dull, or slow-growing hair? Let's talk about some everyday hair problems and give you super easy, unique tips that will help improve your hair health, shine, and growth. 1. Warm oil massage. Does your scalp feel itchy or is your hair growth too slow? Sometimes the blood flow to our scalp isn't as strong as it could be, and that slows down hair growth. Plus, our scalp can get dry, which leads to itchiness. Try a warm oil scalp massage. Warm up some coconut or olive oil and mix in a few drops of essential oils like rosemary or peppermint. Massage it into your scalp for 5-10 minutes. This helps improve blood flow, moisturizes the scalp, and stimulates hair growth. 2. Cold water rinse. Is your hair looking dull and lifeless even after conditioning? Sometimes our hair can lose its shine because the cuticles aren't fully sealed after washing, leaving it looking dull. A simple cold water rinse after conditioning can help. Rinse your hair with cold water for a few seconds. Cold water seals the cuticles, making your hair shinier and smoother. Before we move further into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on such amazing beauty tips and tricks. 3. Inversion method. Is your hair growing too slowly, no matter what you do? A lot of us feel like our hair just isn't growing fast enough, even though we're taking care of it. The issue might be that your scalp isn't getting enough stimulation to encourage growth. Try the inversion method. Once a week, flip your head upside down and massage your scalp for about 4-5 minutes. This boosts blood flow to your scalp and helps speed up hair growth. 4. Microfiber towels. Does your hair get frizzy or look damaged after drying it with a towel? Rubbing your hair with a regular towel can create a lot of friction, causing frizz and even breakage. This is something many of us don't realize, but it can really damage our hair over time. Switch to using a microfiber towel or even an old cotton t-shirt to gently blot your hair dry. This reduces the friction and helps keep your hair smooth and frizz-free. 5. Silk pillowcase. Is your hair breaking or tangling at night while you sleep? When we sleep on regular pillowcases, the friction between the fabric and our hair can cause breakage, tangles, and frizz by morning. Switch to a silk pillowcase. Silk is smoother and reduces friction, so your hair glides over the pillow, preventing tangling and breakage. 6. Double ponytail. Do you notice breakage or dents in your hair from tight ponytails? If you're tying your hair tightly, especially in the same spot every day, you might notice some breakage or weak spots in your hair where the band sits. Try this. Instead of tying your hair super tight, use 2 hair ties. Tie one at the base of your neck and another a bit lower. This reduces the stress on your hair and helps prevent breakage. 8. Wooden brush. Is your hair lacking natural oils and moisture from the scalp to the ends? If you're using plastic or metal brushes, they might not be spreading your scalp's natural oils effectively, leaving your hair drier than it should be. Use a wooden or boar bristle brush. These brushes help spread your scalp's natural oils down the hair shaft, keeping your hair moisturized and shiny. 9. Scalp exfoliation. Is your scalp feeling clogged with product buildup or dead skin? If you use a lot of styling products, they can build up on your scalp and clog hair follicles, slowing down hair growth. Use a scalp scrub once a month to exfoliate. You can make one by mixing sugar or salt with a little conditioner. Gently massage it into your scalp to clear away buildup and dead skin cells, helping your follicles breathe. 10. Rice water rinse. Is your hair weak, breaking, or not growing as strong as you want? Sometimes our hair needs a little extra protein to strengthen it and prevent breakage. Rinse your hair with rice water once a week. Rice water is full of nutrients that strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, and promote growth. Just soak rice in water for a few hours, strain it, and use it as a rinse. 11. Boost hair growth. Is your hair growing too slowly and thinning out? If you're struggling with slow hair growth, your scalp may not be getting the stimulation it needs to encourage faster, thicker growth. Try applying onion juice to your scalp. Onion juice has been shown to boost collagen production, which helps hair grow faster and thicker. Yes, it smells strong, but it's worth it. And there you have it, a complete guide for healthier hair growth. Try these tips to tackle your hair problems and see how rapidly your hair transforms. If you have any questions about skincare routine, hair care, hand and feet care, or beauty products, you can ask me in the comments section. I will try my best to answer you according to my knowledge. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I will see you in my next video with new amazing tips and tricks. Until then, take good care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.